Be with me. I'm gonna try to knock him a crawler. No! Justin, stop! What are you doing?
What?
I have 2.
Oh my god! I'm so retarded. Come and revive me. I was trying to knock a crawler and no! Oh! Who got that?
It was me. I'm sorry.
Justin just literally fucked me. He literally he was shooting the zombie. I was trying to knock a crawler. So then I was waiting for him to stop shooting it. So I held my grenade, killed myself. Then I needed a max ammo because I only had 4 shots left with my bow. And then he got it when I was on revive. So I don't get it.
Are there any zombies up there for you guys? There's 2. There's 2 following me. They're really slow.
Oh god.
I have a few crawlers for you, my man.
Oh. How many is a few?
I got like 6. You know,
Oh,
I'm bringing them up to you.
Bring them here.
This is my good friend Wolf. You know, he's a guy.
What the fuck?
He's a pretty chill guy.
Pretty cool.
Okay, let me kill the last zombie.
Choose your destiny.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay.
I lost the 1v1. It took 4 knives.
First of all, you didn't knife him on the pad.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. The pad is literally like 2 inches.
No, you should have just stood still instead of kept on backing up. Now we have to survive
It is
another
kind
round
of
of time,
difficult
though.
without Widow's Wine, though, because I had Widow's Wine for you to use at least. Oh,
Someone
please,
just
hello?
brought the-
What the
Hello?
shit?
Hello?
Michael.
There's like 4 steps.
God damn it.
Oh, you're the worst
Also,
trainer ever!
There's a way to get a... Up here.
Does it make you able to sprint longer? Like,
Christian,
does it affect
Christian,
the amount of time you're able to
Christian,
sprint?
next round.
Who did that?
That was Justin.
Justin, are you trying to literally ruin my asshole today?
No.
Wait, so wait, what is stamina doing?
Oh.
No! No! What?
Go, I got you covered.
A crawler just literally...
Cover me.
Cover me.
Oh,
I'm dead. Oh god.
I'm in plain sight. We're good. I got him. I got both of you.
I am running.
Go.
I now have
I'm
monkeys.
dead! I'm fucking dead!
Throw monkeys.
Throw monkeys, Michael, please.
No, I thought this door was open.
I'm stuck again. God damn it.
I'm dead too.
Well,
You literally just got me killed.